unseen powers lurk in the shadows, masters of stealth and deadly precision.
Across continents, pythons reign as apex predators, silent giants of the wild.
From the humid depths of Asia to the sun-drenched savannas of Africa, they thrive.
These magnificent reptiles embody raw power and ancient, primal survival instincts.
Today, we delve into their world, witnessing the hunt, the struggle, the sheer will to survive.
Pythons, a family of non-venomous constrictors, are among the largest snakes on Earth.
Their immense size allows them to overpower prey far larger than themselves.
Different species inhabit diverse ecosystems, each perfectly adapted to its environment. The African rock python, Africa's largest snake, blends seamlessly with its rocky domain.
Patient and formidable, the African rock python is a master of ambush.
Its incredible camouflage is key to its hunting strategy.
They often wait for days, even weeks, for the perfect opportunity.
A herd of impala approaches, unaware of the lurking danger. Every muscle tenses. The hunt is about to begin.
With explosive power, the African rock python launches its attack. It instantly wraps its powerful coils around the struggling prey. This immense strength crushes the life out of its victim, leaving no escape.
It's a brutal, yet essential, act of nature, ensuring the python's survival.
Swallowing such large prey is an extraordinary feat of anatomy and patience.
This meal will sustain the African rock python for weeks, even months. In the wetlands of Southeast Asia, the Burmese python reigns supreme.
These semi-aquatic giants are equally at home in water and on land.
Their powerful musculature allows for incredible agility, even at their size.
They often lie in wait, concealed by the murky water, ready to strike. An unsuspecting egret comes to drink, a potential meal for the hidden hunter. Lightning fast, the Burmese python seizes its prey. The bird's struggle is brief against the python's overwhelming force. After the hunt, the Burmese python finds a secluded spot to digest its meal.
These hunts are a testament to their evolutionary success, honed over millennia.
Beyond the hunt, the life cycle of pythons involves a remarkable maternal instinct. Female pythons lay clutches of up to 100 eggs, often in secluded nests.
Unlike most reptiles, the female reticulated python fiercely guards and incubates her eggs.
This dedication ensures the optimal development of her vulnerable offspring.
After months of incubation, the incredible journey of a new python begins. The python hatchling uses a specialized egg tooth to break free.
These miniature predators, barely a foot long, are instantly self-sufficient.
Born with all the instincts of their massive parents, they face an immediate struggle.
Only a fraction will survive to adulthood,
succumbing to predators or starvation.
Every rustle, every shadow presents a potential threat to the young python hatchling. Their early days are a constant lesson in survival, perfecting their hunting skills. The python hatchling's instincts ignite, securing its first vital meal.
From a fragile hatchling, the python rapidly matures, driven by survival.
Each shed signifies growth, leaving behind the constraints of its past.
Power and precision develop with every passing month.
Now fully grown, these magnificent predators dominate their ecosystems.
The reticulated python, a true giant, master of camouflage.
In wetlands and grasslands, the Burmese python reigns supreme.
It's the ball python, known for its unique defensive posture.
And in the canopy, the arboreal green tree python waits.
But regardless of species, all pythons share a primal hunting strategy.
Patience is key. They stalk silently, imperceptibly.
Then, they wait, becoming one with their environment.
The unsuspecting prey draws near. The tension builds.
A lightning-fast strike, precise and deadly. The powerful coils immediately envelop the prey.
Pythons kill by constriction, suffocating their victims with immense pressure.
Each breath the prey takes tightens the grip.
Blood flow ceases, vital organs fail. The struggle ends.
Only when motionless does the python release its grip.
A final assessment, ensuring the hunt is complete.
Then, the laborious process of swallowing begins.
The python's unique anatomy allows it to swallow prey much larger than its head.
A slow, deliberate meal, providing energy for weeks to come.
With its meal secured, the python seeks warmth to aid digestion.
A testament to their primal efficiency. The hunt of the wild python.